If you want to distort an image in Photopea, tilt a flat graphic back into the distance, or stretch individual corners independently, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over at the Layers panel. Select the layer you want to distort. This is really important because Photopea will only apply the transform to the active layer, so make sure you're clicking the correct image, logo, or object before moving on. Once your layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit, then choose Free Transform. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+Alt+T on Windows or Command+Option+T on Mac. That will instantly bring up the transform box around your object. Now you'll see a bounding box with corner handles around your layer. At this point, don't just drag the corners yet. Instead, right-click anywhere inside the transform box. A small context menu will appear, and from that menu, select Distort. As soon as you choose Distort, the handles change from normal transform behavior to distortion mode. This is the key step that lets you move each corner independently. Now click and drag any of the corner squares, or even the edge handles, depending on the shape you need. Unlike normal resizing, this gives you much more control. You can pull one corner forward, push another corner back, or angle the entire image so it looks like it's sitting on a surface or disappearing into the distance. This is especially useful for mockups, logo placement, perspective edits, and realistic design compositions. For example, if you're putting a design onto a laptop screen, a box, or a wall, Distort can help you make it look like it belongs naturally in the scene. Take your time adjusting each corner until it matches the perspective you want. If it doesn't look right, you can keep dragging until the shape feels balanced. The goal is to create the look you need without making the image appear warped in a bad way. When you're happy with the result, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. That final step locks in the distortion and completes the transformation, and that's how you distort an image in Photopea in just a few clicks. Super simple, but incredibly useful once you know where the option is. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more editing tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.